Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the median absolute deviation filtered SMA and BB indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the median absolute deviation filtered SMA and BB indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 26 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We have also tested a total of 395 indicators with a total of 161 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 161 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the median absolute deviation filtered SMA and BB. Now there are a few other parts to this beyond what you can see here on screen, but this is going to be the kind of first part of this, and then at some point we might do some additional videos on the other parts of this. And so basically we have this moving average blue line running through screen here, and the setup on this is pretty simple. I mean, same thing that we've done with many other moving averages. And so we are looking for a price break to either the upside or the downside. When it breaks to the upside, we're going to go long. When it breaks to the downside, we are going to go short. And so again, we've done this many times before, and as you've seen in the last video, I did switch the color back to white on the chart here. Not very many people chimed in on it except for Steve, and he said that white was the better color. And so for now, we're going to stick with white just because that's what we've been doing, and I kind of agree with Steve. So alright, let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we get the first break to the downside right there on that one, and it looks like we were not able to get to take profit, barely missed the take profit. Then we get a break to the upside right there. But as you can see, that one did get us to take profit rather nicely. Then over here on this side, we pick up a break to the downside, and that one is also going to get us to take profit. So far we're doing not so bad. Then we pick up a long there. Looks like that one was able to squeeze out take profit. It was. But then we pick up the short right here, and not so lucky on that one. Gets us stopped out. Then a long right there, same kind of situation on that, also gets us stopped out. Then over here we pick up this long here, and it was not able to get us to take profit. Then we get this kind of pinball action as we get whipsawed in and out of trades, back and forth, before we finally hit a winner right there. Then we get another one right here. Actually, let me just go ahead and double check the measurement on that. Yep, we are good there on that long. Then we pick up another long. Let's see. This one is super close. Let's see where we end up on this. So 1.2313 is the moving average. The close of this candle here was at 1.2320. And so we did get ourselves a long signal, long trade there. Looks like we were able to just barely squeeze out the take profit. And then over here on this side, we pick up a short, and again we get to take profit. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut out some of the video here, that way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to the Discord. And once you sign up for our Patreon, then you will get access to the Patreon only channel on the Discord, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading philosophies, trading indicators, the whole deal. Really great stuff. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform, so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit, be a very handy list to have. Our admins and regular members are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance and indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And lastly, one last thing that I've been doing here recently is I put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and so shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, and their win rates, and links to the videos to go back and review those strategies. And so you'll get that full list, as well as the full list of indicators that we've tested with their win rates, as well as which ones were winners and which ones were losers. A lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all, so I highly recommend it. Alright, so back to the indicator here. Let's see, so everything in focus here. Alright, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. So we have 42 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 winning trades. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria, and this indicator fell victim to the same issue that most of the moving averages have, or most any indicator really that acts as just a single line that interacts with price action. And that is that you get a lot of whipsaw trades, and these big clusters of losing trades were just that, where you get whipsawed in and out of trades, one candle after another. And so this one, like I said, is no different than the rest of the indicators like this that we have tested. So one day maybe we will find one that doesn't have this issue, but let's not hold our breath on that. For now, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.